Okay, good morning students. Today we are going to deal the very last topic of fifth unit of strategic management, that is role of organizational system in strategic evaluation. Okay, what is that? Role of organizational system in strategic evaluation. This is a very important topic where we have to study, the manager should have to study the roles, the responsibilities, what are the activities, actions which should be taken by the entire organizational system, the organizational system which we have made for the organization to run. Here, what we are going to do, we are going to look upon the functions or the roles on the basis of which we are going to deal the strategic evaluation, where we have which helps us to evaluate that how we are going to evaluate the strategies. Evaluation of a strategy is very important, as we have studied in this chapter as well as earlier also on various terminologies and methodologies. What we have seen that first the planning of strategies is being done, after that formation of a strategy is being done, after that implementation is being done, after implementation the evaluation and control of a strategy is being done. So here we are going to look upon that what is the role of organizational system, that the entire organizational system which we have made, what are their responsibilities, functions, actions or roles in strategic evaluation. The very first one is what? The very first role of organizational system in strategic evaluation is information system. Exactly, information system, as we all know that today we people are living at the information age. Without information we are helpless, we are worthless. Our organization is not going to take a single step. We are incapable to make strategies or decisions or actions for the organization. So here what we have to do, we have to deal with a very important information system. We have to make the information system on the basis of which we are going to deal the entire strategy. So the evaluation and control action is guided by adequate information from the beginning to the end. Okay, from the beginning to the end. And for that, a very important CBIS, computer based information system, is being developed by the organization, where the information related to the entire organization which deals with the functions of management, that is planning, organizing, controlling, staffing and coordinating and controlling, that is being dealt with a system that is known as MIS, which is called Management Information System. That a system which is being developed in the entire organization, with the help of which we are going to manage the entire information of the organization, and while managing those information we are going to play a very vital and important role on the basis of which the strategic evaluation is being done. Okay. The next very important role of organizational system in strategic evaluation is what? Planning system. Exactly. If we talk about the planning system, then plan is what? Whatever we are going to deal, whatever we are going to decide in advance, that how we are going to do the things, how we are going to tackle with the problems, all those things comes in the form of what? Planning. Okay, so in this planning system, it is the basis for control, in the sense that it provides the entire spectrum on which control function is based. Exactly, the entire control system is being based on planning system. That what we have planned in the organization, what we have decided in the organization earlier related to various spectrum of strategies, as we have seen in the entire strategic management part, that there are various types of strategies. Okay, strategies related to activating, project strategies, procedural strategies, turnaround management, contingency strategies, and various numerous types of strategies which we have studied earlier in this fourth semester, strategic management. How? Why? What are those? Those strategies are in turn the planning in advance which the organization does, and it helps the managers to deal with the problems which arises in the organization, so that static solution of that particular problem would be drawn out, and accordingly the problems will be solved, okay, and the controlling is being done. So in this planning system is also very much necessary. The third very important role of organizational system in strategic evaluation is what? Motivation system. Exactly, motivation. As we all know that two things goes in the organization for organizational capability, that is, one is organizational behavior and the other one is what? Organizational resources. These two goes parallelly in the organization, and they make what? They make strategic capability. They make organizational capability of an organization. So for that, for both and for dealing all the entire resources of the organization, the very important thing which is being required, that is motivation. As we have studied in Abraham Maslow, as we have also studied in the Abraham Maslow hierarchy theory, that there are various stages of motivation, and the people are going to achieve those motivational levels one by one, and at last they are going to achieve the esteem level. Okay, so this motivation system has also become a basis to ensure that organizational objectives would be achieved. This motivation makes the organization powerful, and a kind of ethics would be imbibed in the organization, on the basis of which they are going to motivate the employees, and goals and objectives are being achieved on that basis. Okay, the very fourth important role of organizational system is strategic evaluation is what? Appraisal system. Exactly, appraisal system. That is a very important factor. It is a very important role of organization, that is appraisal system. The entire system of appraisal in the organization is being used, which involves systematic evaluation of the individual with regard to his performance on the job and his potential for development. Exactly what the job is being, what the responsibilities, accountabilities are being assigned. We are going to evaluate the individuals with regard to their performances on the jobs and his potential for developing that particular job achievements. Okay, that is known as what? Appraisal system. And at last, that is known as what? Development system. Exactly, in the organization that comes, which is known as what? Development system. It is concerned with developing personnel to perform better in their present positions and likely future positions that they are expected to occupy. Okay, it aims at increasing organizational capability through people to achieve better results. Okay, development system, the entire development, learning and development system is being developed in the organization, with the help of which the development of the employees, the development of the technologies, the development of the machineries, the development of the information system, the development of the upgradation of information systems, the development of the strategies, the development of the planning, and various types of development would be done, with the help of which the managers who are working in the organization, they can achieve the vision of the organization, and these developments help them while dealing with the missions of the organizations, and while following those missions they can achieve the vision statement of the organization. Okay, students, so this is what the role of entire organizational system in strategic evaluation. So with this, I believe that the entire strategic management is being finished, and I hope that each and every one of you in the fourth semester has got my lecture in this subject, that is strategic management. And I believe that all the students of MBA, all my dear students who are studying in MBA fourth semester, just go through my notes. Okay, all the notes of strategic management I have given for you people in this time of lockdown, in this time of Corona or COVID-19. I have made such types of lectures which is totally based on topics. Okay, I have taken each and every topic and try to deal each and every topic for you people. Okay, now it is your time just to listen my lectures and try to develop your own ideas and try to write down those things in your own words. And if you people are having any doubts related to my lecture which I have given in the field of strategic management, in the subject of strategic management, then you people are free to ask any of the question while calling to me, as well as while putting your queries in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, so I hope a very nice and bright future for all of you, for all my bright students of MBA 4th semester, and I wish to God that you all are going to achieve a sound career, a very beautiful career in your near future. Today we are living, we all know that today students, we are living at a very tough time of Corona and COVID pandemic, but the entire world is recovering, and you people are the youth, you know that how to recover from these things. Okay, it all depends upon you, it all depends upon your courage, it all depends upon your energy, it all depends upon your enthusiasm, that how much enthusiasm you are, how much charismatic you are to deal with this particular situation. And you all are the leaders, you all are the managers are the leaders of the organization and the company. So deal this problem in a very strong and firmly manner. Okay, thank you to all of you.